Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we're going to talk about something really important. How to optimize and protect the most critical industrial environments, right here in the kingdom.
So let me ask you this. In any really professional setting, I'm talking about a high-tech lab, a hospital, an industrial inspection site, there's this one constant challenge that honestly a lot of people just ignore: noise. That constant humming of equipment, it's more than just a distraction. It's a hidden cost to your operation that can seriously affect focus and precision. And that is exactly the problem this piece of equipment solves. This is the Werther Silent Air Compressor. It's made in the USA, and it's engineered from the ground up for places where quiet, super reliable performance isn't just nice to have, it's absolutely necessary. Now, look at this number, 40 decibels. What does that even mean? Well, to put that into perspective for you, that's about the same noise level as a quiet library. I mean, think about that. It's a level of silence that can completely change a workspace, letting your team concentrate and achieve maximum precision. But here's the thing, it's not just about being quiet. This machine is built for serious, heavy-duty work. You've got an ASME safety valve, so you have peace of mind, an automatic pressure switch for efficiency, the air tank is internally powder-coated, which is huge for preventing corrosion over time, and a 5-micron filter to protect all your sensitive downstream equipment. And on top of all that, it's all backed by a solid 24-month warranty. So yeah, the product itself is excellent, no question. But in our world, in the world of critical operations, the real question is always this one. What is your plan for when a critical component, any component, eventually fails? Because, let's be honest, for our clients in oil and gas, in manufacturing, in healthcare facility management all across Saudi Arabia, downtime isn't just some inconvenience. It is a critical failure. It has massive financial and operational consequences that you just can't afford. And this slide right here perfectly shows the two paths you can take. On one side, you've got the so-called cheap option. It might look good on paper, but it means you're waiting for weeks just to hear back from overseas support. It means your equipment is stuck in customs. It means you have zero help with on-site installation, and trying to handle a warranty claim from thousands of miles away, it's a nightmare. But then you've got the AskA Solution, and it's the total opposite. We have our own local KSA engineers on standby. We deliver across the entire kingdom. We provide a full turnkey installation service, and your warranty, your support, it's all right here for life. So here's the most important point I want to make. Yani, the product itself, you can find it from a lot of suppliers. You can buy the box from just about anywhere. But the complete solution, the real peace of mind that your operation is protected and will keep running, that is only available from us, right here in the kingdom. Tape, so let's break it down. Let's talk about what makes up the AskA Solution advantage and, why the leaders in industry and healthcare across the kingdom choose to partner with us. Look, we have 5 core commitments for every single one of our clients. First, we are an approved KSA partner, which means we meet the absolute highest standards. Second, you get top quality, genuine products at the best value, but more importantly, they're backed by our local engineering expertise. Third, we deliver anywhere in KSA. Dammam, Jubail, Riyadh, Jeddah, you name the site, we'll get it there. Fourth, we offer a full turnkey service. We don't just drop a box at your gate and leave. And fifth, and this is key, our partnership with you actually starts after the sale, with lifetime local support. Let's just pause on this one for a second. Being at a Aramco-approved supplier, that is your guarantee. It means we meet the most demanding, the most stringent standards for quality, for safety, and for reliability in the entire region. This isn't just some piece of paper, it's a promise of excellence. And on top of that, we have our ISO certification. This just reinforces our commitment to international quality management standards in everything we do, from the moment we source a product to how we install it and support it for years to come. This quote really says it all, doesn't it? We always encourage our partners to think bigger than just the initial price tag. This isn't about buying a piece of hardware. It's about investing in the future of your operation, in continuity, and getting that long-term peace of mind that comes from working with a trusted, local, and approved partner. So to put it simply, when you work with us, you're getting this incredible, best-in-class silent compressor, and it's fully backed by our on-the-ground expert engineering, installation, and lifetime maintenance support that only we at AskA Solution can provide inside the kingdom. Shukran! We really do look forward to helping your operation succeed. For a technical consultation to go over your specific needs, please reach out to us. You can email us at sales@askasolution.com or visit our website.